Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my channel, then you are welcome. Please subscribe and feel free to be a part of this platform. In our menu today, we are going to be making jambalaya rice. It's delicious and inviting. Let's get started. I started by making what I called a jambalaya spice mix, which comprises of different spices and seasoning. Add the spices in a bowl and mix. Set it aside. The next thing to do is to marinate the shrimp. Transfer the shrimp in a bowl, then add the spice mix and combine everything together. The next is the chicken, which I also seasoned with the spice and mixed together. The next step is to cook the ingredients. In a pot, I heated up some oil, some vegetable oil, and added some chopped sausage. Allow to cook properly and then remove. Next, I added the shrimp and cooked properly. Make sure that the shrimp is properly cooked, but not overcooked. Look at how beautiful the shrimps looks. Look at that golden color. Now it is ready. And once it was cooked, I added some oil once again to cook the chicken breast. I gave the chicken time to cook. You have to cook your chicken properly. And once the proteins are all cooked, it was time to fry the tomatoes. In the same pot, I added some chopped onions, sauteed for 3 minutes. I also added bay leaf and the remaining spice mix before I added the tomato paste. Fry your tomato paste properly to reduce the tangy taste before adding the cooked fresh tomatoes. It's already cooked, okay? Fry it properly too before adding any broth. Add the chicken broth and more water if needed. I tasted the sauce for seasoning before adding our rice. Add the rice, mix properly, then cover the pot and let it cook until the rice softens but not overcooked. Once the rice is properly cooked, I added our cooked protein, shrimp, chicken breast, and sausage. Mix properly and allow for some minutes so that they can soak up the sauce from the rice. I then added our chopped green onions. Once again, I mixed properly and now the rice is ready. Look at that. Can you hear the rice toast? It's super inviting, colorful. Most importantly, it's delicious. It has a lot of different flavors. I know by now you are in love with this recipe. We are coming to the end of this video. Please share, subscribe, comment, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye and remain blessed.